is Stephanie. Today is Sunday, and 2 days from now, fall begins. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to clean my house for the fall, and then I'm going to start decorating, okay? I want you to join me. If you're not subscribed, I'm asking you to please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button so that you'll get any future videos that I have. Here we go. Well, guys, I'm starting in the entryway. It is the one space every guest visits when they enter my home. Since I've already dusted, now it's time for me to go ahead and sweep the floors, and then I'm going to mop the floors. Because I'm doing a deep cleaning today, I'm using this orange degreaser to clean my floors. Normally I use my wood floor cleaner. I am cleaning and disinfecting my entry table with Microban citrus scent. Not only does it smell great, it cleans, disinfects, sanitizes, and deodorizes. So the first area in the living room that I'm going to clean is all of the wall decor. Just want to make sure everything is free of cobwebs, and also it's a time that I can go back and kind of fix anything that needs to be fixed or align anything that's shifted. So, now that I've cleaned the entire surface, it's time to put my lamps back up. And one thing I can't forget is to make sure that I clean the lamps. I need to wipe the entire base of the lamp, getting all the glass, as well as the shades and everything, just to make sure that there's no dirt or no dust wandering. The TV console is a carrier of dust and dirt because electronics catch a lot of dust bunnies. I make sure to sweep and up all the dirt and vacuum in that area when I'm finished. Because I clean so regularly, I keep spots off of this white sofa using Grease Lightning. It's my secret helper. It cleans everything. Once I'm done cleaning, I deodorize and refresh the sofa using Tide antibacterial spray. So one thing I don't do is I don't keep my sofa on the wall. It's off of the wall because I have a vent that I don't want covered. If your sofa rests on the wall, you probably need to clean your windows first. But mine don't, so I clean afterwards. The windows is the one place that collects a lot of dirt and dust. You need to clean the ledges, not only sweep them, but you need to wipe them down as well with cleaner and disinfectant. Another place that you might be forgetting is the arms of your chairs, the back of the arms. Also the cushions and the pillows on the chairs. All of that needs to be sanitized and disinfected. So after I've cleaned, disinfected, and sanitized each area of my home, I deodorize. Let me turn on this ceiling fan and light a candle. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and we must keep our hearts healthy. I start in the kitchen with my dessert buffet, wiping down every surface. you guys, be honest. When was the last time that you cleaned your island lights? Just like electronics, lights collect dust. So make sure you clean the lights and that the lights are cool when you do this. If you use LED lights, you shouldn't have this problem. You know, my island is really large. It's like 5 feet by 8 feet, maybe even a little bit more. The surface needs cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing. So what I do is I leave the cleaner on the countertop for each level of cleaning for about 5 minutes. This time span would allow the cleaning solution to penetrate. There are many appliances in the kitchen, and each of them need to be maintained in order to work properly. And the first step into maintaining them is keeping them clean. The microwave is a contamination zone. Just think, whether food is covered properly or not, there's a large chance of food splatter. And unless you are the only person using it, clean the entire microwave each time. There is indeed a chance for contamination food particles. Because I've already posted a video for cleaning your refrigerator, I'll leave a link in the video description box, and I'll add a link to this video. Another missed spot is inside the oven. The vents and borders of the oven doors can become very filthy. So, just in case you have an oven that has a self-cleaning button, the self-cleaning button is wise to use. But before you hit that button, go inside of your oven and wipe all the crevices. Get the opening vents, scrub the loose dirt, and then you set your timer for cleaning. My bedroom is my safe haven, and I love to clean this room. The center of most of our bedrooms is a headboard, which is also the one place that many of us may be missing in our cleaning expeditions. Remember, just like most vents in newer homes, the headboard is over our head at night, and most headboards are high enough that they collect major dust. Regardless of what your headboard is made of, it can be cleaned, disinfected, and sanitized, and deodorized using your choice of wet wipes. I use Simply made by Lysol. These wipes have no harsh chemical residue, and they are great for daily cleaning, and also bacteria. Next, I'm going to give a thorough cleaning of my nightstands and lamps. My favorite part of cleaning and refreshing my bedroom is making my bed. I love the order and welcoming spirit it presents once it's completely made. I know I may go a little bit too far because I iron my linen so that everything is neat and orderly. But try it. I'll do a video in the future to tell you what I do as far as making my bed. I'll also talk about the linens that I use, the counts for sheets and the coverlets and all of those things. So make sure you subscribe so you can get a notification whenever I post the videos. Now, to finish cleaning the bedroom, I clean, disinfect, sanitize, and deodorize my dresser, the mirror, and the lamps. Making sure I get all into the crevices of the mirror, especially if it's a frame with grooves. There is one area in our home that we all need to ensure that we thoroughly clean, disinfect, and sanitize, and that is our doors. We need to ensure that daily we sanitize the doorknobs. The doorknob is a collector of germs and bacteria. Don't forget your doorknobs. Thanks for watching my video today, and I hope and trust that I offered you some cleaning inspiration. Please subscribe so that you receive notification of an extended version of my cleaning, disinfecting, sanitizing, and deodorizing home video.